Hi guys,
Hello. Hi.
I am impressed with the luxury cars that you have. You have so many luxury cars in here. Can you tell me more about your shop, please?
Sure. So Active Auto started more than 10 years ago. It is still the largest, mostly Turkish community related, workshop where we service cars. Today, while we started with that kind of legacy, we have expanded our workshop to service our clients' cars. Then insurance companies started working with us, and lastly, we also buy, accident cars and fix them. And when we sell them, we pretty much give 25 to 30% price advantage to our clients. When it comes to exotic cars, this is an extremely important discount. Probably we are a very rare, product in the market. You don't come across a lot of workshops which have a showroom and a car workshop at the same time. So we do both. We prepare our cars, we put them in the showroom, we give 1 year warranty to our clients. Therefore, the entire UAE car universe is pretty much our clients. Insurance companies, retail clients, B2C, as well as the cars that we are selling to our own clients.
Fantastic. What are the services that you're providing?
The service that we are providing basically mechanical services, electrical services of the car, and AC problematic cars. We are fixing their ACs, and we do have denting and painting area as well. Plus, top of it, we do also wrapping and PPF of the cars.
Fantastic. All right. Is there special rates for the people watching this video?
Of course, we will give best possible price for Dr. Cars clients.
Thank you very much. Now, where are you located?
We are located at Alcos 4, 17th Street. Can say we have a landmark of Neotech Engineering.
And we will list all the contact details at
Sure.
the description box. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Well, just one last thing, when it comes to servicing cars, it's perfectly fine. Come and find us. More importantly, you have heavy problems, then come to us more because we pride ourselves to be that workshop which fix big problems on premium cars. And that's what the insurance companies know about us. Therefore, don't hesitate to come to us even if you have the most complex problem at the most expensive car. We are here to help.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Dr. Car channel and mobile application are the best.